Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Michael, and on this channel we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. So if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to answer one of the biggest questions most people have been asking me. How do we make chalk with a clamped mold? So wait and follow this video carefully. I'm going to explain everything that you need in order to make school chalk using this clamped mold. So the things that are required, we need our material, which is plaster of Paris. Of course, we also need to have water, and we need to have a brush, we need to have a scraper, and we need to have also, we need to have lubricant. So these are the few things you actually need to make school chalk and quality school chalk. So watch this video until the very last end. You need to have simple tools, simple materials, and as I told you, it costs you only 320,000 to have your starters kit to go and start school chalk production. So here we start our process. Of course, we are going to start with opening our mold. So we are going to assemble our mold in order to lubricate it. So we are going to open our mold. So after lubricating our mold, of course we are going to assemble it. Remember, this mold has numbers somewhere. So if you are keen enough, you will see some numbers and letter S on the other side. So we are starting with number 6. It means it should be followed by 5. It should be followed by 4. It should be followed by 3. It should be followed by 2. And it should be followed by 1. And this is how you arrange the mold. So you are going to put in the screws. We are going to make sure we put our material and it should not pass through. So I'm going to first finish arranging the mold entirely, then we see what follows. So from here, I will actually put this kind of towel here like this. Then I will put my mold like this to ensure that my mixture doesn't pass through. So now I'm going to the mixing process now. So as I always told you, we need 1 cup of water mixed with 1 cup of POP. So we are going to measure our mixture and put here. Then we mix from here and pour in our mold. So we are going to measure 1 cup of POP. I always tell people that make a flat top cup. I mean, this is what I normally mean. For those of you people who don't understand me, a flat topped cup for this 100 cavity mold. So we are going to put our POP here. Then we shall measure equal quantity. So we shall measure 1/2 a liter of water, which is 1 cup. 1 cup full. So we shall put it here. Then we mix. So as soon as our POP dissolves in water, we immediately start pouring in our mold. So my POP has already dissolved. I'm going to put my mixture in the mold right away without waiting, because when you wait it will actually solidify and it will be hard for you to pour the mixture in the mold. So it is already done now. I'll start pouring in right away. So as I always told you, you need to be careful and ensure that the holes that you start, you finish them before moving to others to avoid chalk from breaking. So now I'm going to actually start my pouring process. You need to be faster in your pouring in process to ensure that the mixture solidifies at the same rate. So now I've already poured my half a kilogram of POP. As I always told you, don't waste POP because one flat top cup is actually enough. So we shall wait here for around 8 minutes to ensure that this mixture actually solidifies, and we shall start removing this mixture from the mold. So we start counting from now until we reach actually 8 to 10 minutes. So let's wait. So you need to keep on rubbing the scraper because the water keeps coming out of the mold, so you need to keep removing and wait for the mixture to actually solidify in a better way. So then now we have to turn our mold upside down so that we can also work on the other side to make sure that all the edges of the chalk are smooth. So we have to work on this side as well. So let's start the removal process and see. So we are actually going to open our mold. It takes 10 minutes for the chalk actually to solidify. So one by one we are going to open. One side of the mold, so we can unscrew to make it easier. We can unscrew to make it easier, so we can remove one side by one. So let's see how this one actually works. Wow, you can see our chalk has actually come out very well. See,